Good morning, Banal. I'm Charlie, and this is the Bulldog Bulletin.
Colleges aren't just looking at the GPA, we're looking at the context. So what classes have you taken and how you've done in those classes? We would rather see a student do well in a more challenging course than to just take an easier level course just to get the 4.0.
The scoring, you get a score of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I can only speak to calculus, but I know that if you get about 70% or higher on the AP exam, that's a 5. So a 5 does not mean you got 100 on the exam. A 5 does not mean you got an A on the exam. So, what if you take the exam and you get a 2? You didn't pass the exam. You're probably not going to get credit you won't get credit in college. Is it still worth it? I'm going to ask anybody up here if they've taken an AP exam and didn't get the score that they wanted, but was it still worth it to be in that class?
You're putting forth your best effort. And that's really the key to success, I think. The AP is really an important thing.
You don't join the track team if you don't want to run. You don't go into an AP class if you don't want to do some homework and some work after the class. The work can kind of ebb and flow based on the units we're in, but the experience that the students get because of the company that you are with students who are also serious about their academics, is just much more positive than your traditional classes.
So it's okay to struggle in a class. You can still like it. Yeah. It's not all about just getting an A.
Yeah, I think that's one of the big things with APs. You're not going to get hundreds all the time, especially if you haven't taken one in middle school or even your freshman year. If you're only taking CP or honors classes, you may always get hundreds and A's. But in AP, you more than likely will fail quiz, but that's okay because you just got to rebound from it and work hard at the next quiz. So.
In college prep classes, you can see kids coming in goofing around and stuff. That you don't really see that in AP classes. Kids are there to get their work done, to learn. And I think it's just you see a higher level of maturity definitely in an AP class.
Anyone interested in trying out for a spring sport should be registered via Parent Portal on Parent Power School. Registration for spring sports closes on March 18th. All athletes trying out must have physical validated for the entire spring sports season.
Any student interested in aviation careers, please sign up for the Job Center trip to the Stratford School for Aviation Management, room D7 for Miss Tozzi. Only the first 15 students who sign up will be able to attend.
Attention seniors, do you want a page dedicated to you and only you in the yearbook? If so, you can purchase an ad in the yearbook at yearbookforever.com. You can design your own ad or send in pictures and have the yearbook committee design one for you. If you'd like a more personal experience, you can reserve a design session with a yearbook staffer at Senior Ad Night this Thursday, January 16th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. in the cafeteria. Email Ms. Ravo Lynch at ravoa@stratk12.org for more questions.
Interact Club will be having a meeting on January 15th at 2:15 p.m. in B212. Please see Ms. Scaramaccia with any questions.
Reminder to all students applying for the Science National Honor Society. Applications are due to Miss Con or Miss Record by 2:15 p.m. on Friday, January 17th. Please see either teacher with any questions.
Today will be a high of 43 and a low of 39. There is a 20% chance of rain.
There will be no lunch today because of the half day. But vegans and vegetarians, you have the grass outside and the leaves. And for people who love water, you got a water fountain.
Today is National Bagel Day. Have a glorious day. You guys not know what the word glorious means? We'll see you tomorrow.